In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to swap faces, change age, replace full characters, and adjust visuals using one platform, even if you've never touched AI tools before. Everything I'm showing you today is inside HiggsField. HiggsField is an all-in-one AI platform focused on video, characters, and animation. What makes it useful is that you're not jumping between tools or exporting files every step of the way. Face swapping, character replacement, and image editing all live in the same place, which makes the workflow much easier to follow. Let's start with the basic face swap. First, go to the HiggsField homepage. At the top menu, click on Character. From there, select Video Face Swap. This opens the workspace for swapping faces in videos. Once you're inside, you'll see two main sections. The first section is for your source video. This is the video you want to change. You can drag and drop your video file directly into that area. This can be a short clip, a longer video, or any footage you're allowed to use. After the video uploads, move to the second section. This is where you upload the face you want to use. This is just a single image. It can be a photo of yourself or someone else, as long as you have the right to use it. This part matters more than people expect. For best results, use an image where the face is clear and well lit. Try to avoid heavy shadows, extreme angles, or blurry photos. A straight or slightly angled face works best. Once both the video and the face image are uploaded, you click Generate. That's the entire setup. HiggsField then processes the video and maps the new face onto the original performance. Facial expressions, eye movement, and mouth movement are preserved from the original video. That's why the result feels more natural than older face swap tools that ignored motion. Depending on the video length, this can take a little time. When it's done, you'll see the swapped result ready to preview. Now, let's talk about something more advanced that still stays beginner-friendly: the age swap workflow. Instead of swapping your current face directly into a video, you can first change how that face looks using HiggsField's image tools. Then you use that modified image as the face for the video swap. To do this, go back to the main menu and click on Images. Upload a clear photo of yourself or the face you want to modify. Once it's uploaded, open the Cadream Image Editor. This editor is built into HiggsField, so you don't need anything external. Inside the editor, you'll see a prompt box. This is where you describe the change you want. Keep it simple and direct. For example, you can type, "Make him look really old," or "Make her look much younger." You don't need to over-explain. Run the editor and wait for the result. You'll get a new image with the face changed based on your prompt. Download that image when you're happy with it. Now go back to the Video Face Swap tool. Upload the same source video as before, but this time use the aged or younger image as your new face. Click Generate again. What you'll get is the same performance, but with a completely different age applied consistently across the video. Expressions and movement still match the original footage, which makes the effect feel much more convincing. Before moving on, it's important to understand what works well and what can cause issues. Extreme close-ups can be tricky. When the camera is very tight on the face and the head moves a lot, the swap can stretch or warp slightly. It's not always a deal breaker, but it's something to watch for. Side angles and head turns work better than you might expect. HiggsField handles these reasonably well, especially compared to older tools. It's not perfect, but it's usable for most content. You should avoid swapping faces onto non-human characters. Trying to put a human face onto something like Gollum or a creature usually produces strange results. The AI struggles with non-humanoid facial structures, so it can end up looking weird. Now let's move into full character replacement using Recast. A face swap only changes the face. Recast replaces the entire character. That includes the body, clothing, and voice. To use this, go back to the Character menu and select Recast Studio. Upload your source video just like before. Next, you choose the character you want to use. You can upload your own character or select from preset, CGI, and cartoon characters provided inside the tool. After that, you move into Voice Settings. You have a few options here. You can keep the original voice from the video, choose a preset voice, or clone your own voice and apply it to the new character. This is useful if you want consistent narration or character identity across multiple videos. There's also a language option. You can select a different language, like Italian, and the character will speak in that language. The mouth movement adjusts to match the speech, which helps the result feel natural. Background control is another option. You can keep the original background from the video, or you can select green screen. Green screen is useful if you want to replace the background later in a video editor or place the character into a different scene. Once everything is set, you generate the video. The result is a full character replacement, not just a face change. This is useful for storytelling, skits, educational content, or any situation where the character matters as much as the action. There's one more useful tool worth showing: changing camera angles with Qwen Image Edit. Qwen Image Edit is a free tool inside HiggsField that works on static images. You upload an image and look for the camera controls at the bottom of the screen. There's a slider that lets you move the camera left or right to generate a new angle of the same image. You can also adjust the vertical angle or zoom in to create a closer view. This is helpful when you want variety from a single image. You can also use this feature to generate in-between frames and turn them into short moving shots. It's a simple way to add motion without starting from video. To bring everything together, HiggsField gives you a full set of tools for character-based video creation. You can swap faces, change age, replace entire characters, adjust voices, translate languages, and tweak camera angles, all within one platform. The best way to get comfortable with this is to test it yourself. What kind of face swap videos will you make? Let me know in the comments below. While you're there, check the description for some helpful resources that I've linked, and don't forget to like and subscribe.